Hello, I'm Devansh from the Non-Cap University in 2023. I just completed my second year and was looking for an internship. I looked out for many options through various sources, Google and LinkedIn and all. Through my reference group, I got to know about assisting technologies. I decided to do some research work and I felt like it was very prosperous for me to work in for an interview. I decided to contact the HR through the official website and plan for a walk-in interview. At first, I was very nervous when I entered the enterprise. So, first I had a meeting with the HR. It went well. It was a 5-minute casual talk within questionnaire, and the HR was quite nice. I cleared the first round. Thank God, I cleared the first round, and I was sent in the second room for the meeting with the second HR. There were many questions asked with me about my career goals, what I'm looking forward, and how well I will contribute to the company, my qualities and all. I got appointed as a digital marketing intern, and it was a nice experience with assisting technologies. The working hours were quite flexible, as well as the environment. First week there was a little trouble connecting with all, understanding the companies, and it was my first internship at assisting technologies, but the staff and all were really cooperative, and I really learned a lot through the company. I got assigned at first at the doing SEO work, search engine optimization. I got to know about bookmarking, blog posting. At first, I had all the research work that contributed to the company as well as my future. Because right now I know a lot about the different websites and all where I could do search engine optimization. For 2 weeks, I was working on the search engine optimization and different ways I could optimize the website. Then slowly as I progressed, I went into social media marketing, at which I had to shoot a lot of videos, did video editing, researched about many tools through which video editing and other creatives could be designed, created EDMs and other creatives. The difficulty I faced was, like, as a personal opinion, it was hard for me to design creatives, but through expertise guidance through my mentor, Miss Anuradha ma'am, I learned about many tools, how to use them, and how I could be more productive, and created many EDMs and creatives. In the end, I conclude that it was a great experience with assisting technologies, and I surely recommend for your career perspective or like your first internship, as it was mine, to look out for assistant technologies for your learning perspective as well as career perspective.